These mochi donuts are crispy, chewy, and bursting with fruity, chocolatey goodness. Okay, so today we're gonna try this trending recipe,
Blueberry glazed chocolate mochi donuts.
Yum!
Pour 1 cup glutinous rice flour, 1 cup tapioca starch, half a cup Catalina Premium Pure Cocoa Powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Then give it a good mix. In a separate bowl, mix 1/4 cup of softened butter and half a cup of sugar. Add 1 egg and then mix again. Add half of the half cup milk, mix and beat in medium speed. Sift over the mixture of the half part of the dry ingredients and give it a good mix. Sift over the remaining dry ingredients, mix, and then add the rest of the milk and mix again until well incorporated.
Bag the dough mixture for ease of assembling your donut. Prepare parchment paper squares and pipe about 6 mochi balls on it. Press the top gently to smoothen each ball. Make sure they all stick together. Fry each mochi donut, making sure that it is fully submerged. Carefully remove the parchment paper after around 30 seconds and flip the donut. Wait again for another minute or until both sides are evenly cooked. Remove any excess oil by draining them on the towel-lined plate or a rack. For the glaze, get 2 tablespoons EZBake meringue powder, half teaspoon EZBake vanilla powder, and 1 cup powdered sugar. Then mix all together. Add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of cold water and mix until smooth. Add a tablespoon or 2 of blueberry filling and mix again. Finally, dip each mochi donut carefully and then set aside. You may add a little bit more of the blueberry flavor.
And ta-da!
A perfect fusion of rich cocoa and juicy blueberries. Sweet, bouncy, and just the right balance of indulgence and freshness. This video is brought to you by EZBake. See you in the next one. Bye!